morning, everybody. Welcome to the 19th annual group exhibit of hydrogen and fuel cells. Those in the halls, if you'd like to come sit down, we are offering complimentary beverages, coffee, tea, juice, if you'd like to join us for our first discussion of the day. Once again, you're more than welcome to come and join us as we discuss our topics. Today we will be discussing linear-driven diaphragm pumps for primary air supply. We will be speaking with Gardner Thomas with Herbert Hansel, the marketing manager. So please have a seat and join us. Welcome, Mr. Herbert Hansel, to the stage.
Hello, good morning. Yeah. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So why don't we start with a brief introduction and the history of the company?
Yeah, so Thomas is a division out of Gardner, Denver. Gardner, Denver is a huge enterprise, yeah, and Thomas itself has 900 people working for. We are producing 3.5 million units, pumps, compressors, and liquid pumps each year. And this is based on more than 150 series. So this is a huge variety of products, and actually we come from the medical industry. We are a supplier for many applications within the medical field, like anesthesia, gas control. For instance, this is a small product, yeah, for anesthesia, gas control. And also we do oxygen concentrators and we are in the nebulizer field, and so many applications. Yeah.
So what solutions do the diaphragm pumps offer for the medical environment and laboratory
so
applications?
For the medical, as mentioned before, within the diaphragm technology, we offer solutions for medical air mattresses, for instance, and also solutions for nebulizers. Solutions in the environmental field are this is the sewage aeration, sewage aeration for small power plants, and also aeration of other applications. And in the laboratory field, we do not have so many applications, but we do have few. I would say pipetting is one of the main areas where we do business.
Okay. So in terms of your company, where are you in terms of the your stage in commercialization? Who are you selling to? Who are your customers? Can you describe the stage of your company and where you're located in terms of manufacturing and distributing?
Actually, we have 3 locations. One is in Germany, it's nearby Memmingen in Bavaria. We have another location which is in Monroe in the States, and the last location is in Wuxi, which is in China.
So in terms of your company and your news, do you have any recent announcements or products? I know you were discussing these earlier and that you brought them with you. Do you want to maybe perhaps discuss how these are used? How do you control, for example, this pump?
This, for instance, is a typical linear compressor. This is a prototype. It's used for natural gas as well as for air supply for fuel cells. And this technology enables us having very long lifetime. The lifetime, for instance, of a compressor like this, we have proved this with many tests, with stress tests, and we have reached now 80,000 hours, which is almost 10 years continuous running, and this product is one of the series products, which is already supplied to a big fuel cell producer in Japan.
So what is the benefit of using a linear diaphragm pump over, for example, a blower?
I think the big advantage is maybe first come to the disadvantages. It's more in weight. This is the only disadvantage we can see. The advantages are the efficiency. The efficiency is 3 times better compared to a blower. And also the lifetime is much higher, yeah, because the blower also has bearings, yeah, and the bearings are worn out after 20 or 30,000 hours, yeah, and this compressor does not contain any bearings, yeah, and it's a very long-lasting product, yeah. So I think the total efficiency, yeah, is between 25 and 30%, yeah, which is really good, yeah, for a machine like this. And the control is much better compared to a blower because we can control by voltage, we can control by frequency, and we can control by duty. Yeah? So we can adjust the product exactly to the requirements of the customer.
Are there any questions from the audience regarding any of the prototypes up here, or any questions for Herbert? No? Okay. Well, I'll ask you some more. What are, like, you're talking about the pump, and you're saying that we're talking about the stages and, stage of commercialization. Do you want to describe maybe where the majority of these products are being sold? I know we were just discussing that you're primarily in the laboratory and medical environment. Do you want to go into a little more detail regarding?
Yeah, so yes, if you are interested, I think one of the top applications at present is the negative wound pressure treatment, which is in the medical industry. It helps wounds healing, yeah, and it's a very successful application, and so we have huge orders of the industry, and this is one of these products, which is sold to this industry, and so this drives our business at present, and this is one of the latest applications we have in the medical industry, and which returns us money, and which enables us being here, still here, and try to get some business out of the fuel cell area. So unfortunately, we are waiting now a long time. We have been here now 10 years, but we cannot see a big movement up to now. So fortunately, we have applications in Japan. The Japanese are far ahead, and I hope this will accelerate this business here in Europe as well.
Are there any specific target markets that you have in mind that you're trying to obtain or trying to get into with these solutions?
Yes.
Yeah. Which would be your primary target? Where do you want to see these being sold in the next little while?
I think the first thing we have to speak about when will it be, and I expect we have a chance maybe in the year 2016, creating some business, with the linear blowers here for some applications within the PEM, DMFC or SFC fuel cells. And I still believe in this technology, but we have to be very careful. I think this show is going now for 20 years without many progress.
Again, I'll welcome the audience to ask any questions. No? Denver Thomas is available for questions at booth E55, which is just in the far corner of the hydrogen fuel cell exhibit. I encourage you. Oh, question? Okay.
Yes.
May I ask you a question? Where do you see the reasons for this slow movement in that field of business? I can agree with you. It's pretty slow, but where do you personally see the reason for that?
I think the reason is not within the technology. I think technology is prepared for this business. There are some commercial reasons. So financing is one of the points, and also when you go to the automotive field, we have at present 15 petrol stations for fuel cell. That's all. In the year 2015, it's expected having 50, but this doesn't cover anything. There's no chance at present. So we have no infrastructure about this. And especially in the heating area, there's a lifetime expected of 10 years. Tell me one stack manufacturer who guarantees a lifetime of 10 years. There's no one at present. Yeah. So this is a technical reason, but I think main reasons are in the commercial field. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Any other questions from the audience? All right, E55, you will be found.
Okay.
Thank you for joining us today, and I
Yeah.
will come and visit you later on this afternoon. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Roxanne. Okay, bye-bye.